Staying fit doesn't mean you have to leave your desk. Here are 20 exercises you can do at your desk to stay healthy, happy, and focused. No break needed. Number 1. Neck rolls. Sitting at your desk for hours can cause neck stiffness. A simple way to release tension is neck rolls. Sit upright, slowly roll your head in a circular motion clockwise, then counterclockwise. This helps improve blood flow, reduces stiffness, and keeps your neck flexible. Do this for 1 minute during your breaks. Number 2. Shoulder shrugs. Shoulder tension builds up after long typing sessions. To relieve it, try shoulder shrugs. Sit or stand tall. Lift your shoulders toward your ears. Hold for 2 seconds, then release. Repeat 10 times. This quick move helps loosen tight muscles and prevents shoulder pain from poor posture at your desk. Number 3. Seated spinal twist. A great stretch for your back is the seated spinal twist. Sit upright, place your right hand on the back of your chair, and gently twist your torso to the right. Hold for 10 seconds, then switch sides. This relieves lower back tension and keeps your spine more flexible. Number 4. Wrist stretch. Typing all day strains your wrists. To stretch them, extend one arm out with your palm up. Use your other hand to gently pull back your fingers. Hold for 15 seconds, then switch. This exercise reduces stiffness, improves flexibility, and helps prevent wrist pain and carpal tunnel issues. Number 5. Seated leg extensions. Strengthen your legs with seated leg extensions. Sit up straight. Extend one leg out until it's parallel to the floor. Hold for 3 seconds, then lower it. Repeat 10 times per leg. This helps improve circulation, strengthens quads, and keeps your legs active while sitting at your desk. Number 6. Ankle circles. Poor circulation in your feet is common at the office. To fix it, try ankle circles. Sit tall. Lift one foot off the ground and rotate your ankle clockwise 10 times, then counterclockwise. Switch legs. This boosts circulation, prevents stiffness, and keeps your ankles mobile throughout the day. Number 7. Seated marching. Keep your blood flowing with seated marching. While sitting, lift one knee up as if marching in place, then switch. Continue for 30 to 60 seconds. This simple move increases circulation, reduces stiffness, and can give you a burst of energy if you're feeling sluggish during long office hours. Number 8. Desk push-ups. You don't need a gym for push-ups. Place your hands on your desk. Step back and perform push-ups at an angle. Lower your chest toward the desk, then push back up. Do 10 minutes 15 reps. This strengthens your chest, arms, and shoulders while keeping your posture upright and strong. Number 9. Chair squats. Stand in front of your chair. Lower yourself down as if to sit, then rise back up without touching the seat. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Chair squats build leg strength, improve circulation, and counteract the negative effects of long hours of sitting. A great mini workout at your desk. Number 10. Seated calf raises. Sitting doesn't mean you can't work your calves. While seated, place your feet flat on the ground. Lift your heels up while keeping your toes down, then lower them slowly. Repeat 15 to 20 times. This strengthens your calves, improves circulation, and helps prevent swelling in your lower legs. Number 11. Chest opener stretch. Hunching forward at your desk strains your chest and shoulders. To stretch, clasp your hands behind your back and straighten your arms, opening your chest. Hold for 15 seconds. This simple move improves posture, reduces tension, and counteracts the forward lean many office workers develop over time. Number 12. Seated side stretch. Combat stiffness with a side stretch. Sit upright, place your right hand on your chair, and extend your left arm overhead, leaning gently to the right. Hold for 10 seconds, then switch. This relieves tension in your sides, improves flexibility, and refreshes your body after hours of sitting. Number 13. Seated figure for stretch. If your hips feel tight, try the figure for stretch. Sit tall, cross one ankle over the opposite knee, and gently press down. Lean forward slightly for a deeper stretch. Hold for 20 seconds per side. This relieves hip tension, reduces lower back pain, and keeps you flexible. Number 14. Glute squeezes. Strengthen your glutes without leaving your chair. Sit upright and contract your glute muscles. Hold for 5 seconds, then release. Repeat 10 to 15 times. This exercise improves circulation, strengthens your lower body, and helps counteract the weakening effect of sitting for long periods during the workday. Number 15. Desk plank. Turn your desk into a fitness tool. Place your forearms on the desk and step back into a plank position. Keep your body straight and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. This strengthens your core, improves posture, and engages muscles that often go inactive while sitting at your desk. Number 16. Eye relaxation exercise. Your eyes also need exercise. Every 20 minutes, look away from your screen and focus on something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This 20-20-20 rule relaxes your eye muscles, reduces strain, and prevents headaches from too much screen time in the office. Number 17. Shoulder blade squeezes. Counteract hunching by strengthening your upper back. Sit tall. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Hold for 5 seconds, then release. Repeat 10 to 12 times. This exercise improves posture, strengthens back muscles, and keeps your shoulders from rolling forward after hours of working at a computer. Number 18. Standing back bend stretch. Sitting compresses your spine. To fix it, stand up. Place your hands on your lower back and gently arch backward, looking upward. Hold for 5 seconds and repeat a few times. This stretch relieves pressure, improves posture, and gives your spine the movement it misses during sitting. Number 19. Seated A-B twists. Engage your core with seated A-B twists. Sit upright, clasp your hands together, and twist your torso left and right while keeping your hips facing forward. Do 10 twists each side. This exercise works your abs, improves mobility, and helps keep your core active at your desk. Number 20. Seated forward fold. End your desk routine with a forward fold. Sit tall, place your feet flat on the ground, and fold forward from your hips, reaching for your toes. Let your head and arms hang loose. Hold for 20 seconds. This stretches your back, relaxes your shoulders, and reduces stress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss more health and wellness tips. And let me know in the comments what's your favorite desk exercise. I'd love to hear from you. Stay healthy, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, even small movements can make a huge difference in your health, especially if you're sitting all day at work. Try adding these 20 desk exercises into your daily routine to stay active, improve posture, and reduce pain.